riding episode of Roller Coaster C/D. Today we are going on the Shaman's Curse. As you can see, there's a little disc, a roller coaster, kind of a roller coaster where you can, that should be fun. Okay, here we go, on board the Shaman's Curse. All clear, okay. Oh, this is it's a roller coaster nonetheless. Literally riding this, we're like front facing, so we're engaging now. Oh, here we go. Here we're spinning. It's also like a teacup ride. Whoa. Oh my God. Whoa. Oh. On the east side. Back to the west side. Oh my God. Hot. Oh my God. Whoa. Oh my God. Now I really. Oh. This is the kind of ride you could get sick on easy. All the spinning and stuff. Oh. Oh, here we go. Oh, God. Oh, you get this, all the spinning around and stuff, and I'm just like, yeah, I can't do this again. Oh my God. I will, thanks for that. Okay, that does it for this episode. Thank you for watching and riding. I hope to see you right back here in the very near future.